But now I'm back at the house and I'm gonna be washing my own clothes the old school way, Filipino way, you know?
Do it.
Like this.
Hello. Yeah.
Wow. So this is the clothes I'm gonna wash and this is the instruments I'm gonna use. I need to clean all the buckets first before I start. The buckets. Why are you laughing? Oh, with soap.
Come on.
So here are the buckets, guys. And the other two. Sabrina's gonna be in this one. She's gonna learn how to wash clothes too. Okay, here's the clothes, guys. I'm gonna put water inside, yeah? Coach? Coach. So we are ready to wash the clothes. We're here with the coach, Tin.
Hi.
Hi, Tin.
Hello.
And we also, the students is me and Sabrina.
Hello.
And we're gonna wash the clothes, okay? Or wash my clothes.
Your clothes are so smelly.
Well, of course, that's why we're washing it, diba? Right, teacher?
Yeah. Isa din akong teacher.
Wow! Wow! Alright,
Yes.
there we go. We will give it to our camera woman. Okay. Okay, teacher. Coach. Hoy, walang secrets dito.
What? Oh, put water muna.
What did you say? You're the coaching.
Secret. That's our secret.
Where to put
Because
what?
No.
we have a secret.
Oh, yan.
Yan, yan yung gawin mo.
Like this?
Yes.
Yeah, that's up until the line.
One eternity later.
More water.
Yeah, more.
This is how we just wait for water. One eternity later.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Wow!
While you are waiting for the water, separate white versus...
Oh.
Separate mo.
So we're gonna separate the whites.
Oh,
Yeah.
wait
Just
lang.
one white.
Wait lang. Yung blue ay white, ang black ay black.
Black.
Huh?
Black.
Dito?
White yan. This one first.
Okay.
I will wash the black first.
Yes.
So leave this out here.
Yeah, leave it muna kasi why
You're the coach.
Dalawa kami.
Wow. But she's still learning. She's learning with us.
No, I ain't. I've
Okay.
seen Mama do it.
Alright, what are we doing, Sam?
Just put a bit of the water.
Where?
No, dun na. Yan.
Ayan.
Even the jeans?
Yes.
Hopefully it's gonna dry by tomorrow.
Yeah, of course it will.
So why are you doing that?
Why am I doing this?
Yeah, why are you soaking that?
I don't know.
Because you have dirts. So
Oh,
you
because
need to...
there's dirts.
Yeah, remove it. Remove all the dirts first.
Yes.
So
Yes.
it's gonna soak in there, yeah? Do we put more water?
No. Just you don't
Fine.
have to put more water. We all.
Oh, same with others.
The line.
Same with this one.
Oh, we put water in this one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright. So put that over there. That's for Sam to do.
I actually like doing these.
Have you done it before?
No, it seems fun. Mama does it. In
Now
the
look to the camera and you want to do it next time. Tell him you want to do it next time.
No.
Why? You're right here. You can say it. She wants to be a future gamer and she wants to be a YouTuber. So we gotta tell her to come look at the camera. Stop, look at the camera.
No.
Oh, she's not gonna be a YouTuber. Okay, what's the next process? So while this is waiting, what are we doing?
Wala lang.
So what are we doing? All of it?
No, not all of it.
More?
Yes, a bit more.
Stop, that's too much.
You told me. I don't know what I'm doing. Too much? Alright.
Oh,
And then put some in here?
yeah.
Yes. That's for you to do.
Oh, stop.
What?
Stop.
Okay. Soak it until it bubbled up.
Expensive.
Yeah, it's fine. So we're just gonna keep doing this.
Yeah.
Later.
Until all of it gets bubbly.
Well, I found a pig. Oh, this is hard. Okay, chill.
How you do it?
Like this. How do you do it?
What can
Hey,
you say?
I have my own opinion. This is hard, alright? You do my all clothes then. Sab's gonna do all the clothes. There you go, Sab.
Okay, thank you.
Look at the bubbles here versus the bubbles here.
Right?
And who did that?
So I need more bubbles.
No, you did less bubbles.
Do I need more bubbles?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How is it? You only have one shirt.
It's very hard.
You need.
It's only one shirt that I'm doing, guys. And I'm doing other shirts, and I have to do the other clothes. So yeah, Cravin Larrikin is
Oh my gosh.
washing.
Here you go.
How do you couscous? How do you couscous? Show it. Show
Wow.
Wait.
Wow.
Is that how you do it? Wow.
it. Wow.
Wow.
Washing machine.
Yeah, piga. Okay.
Yes.
So, what can you say about doing the manual laundry?
Very, very hard, but it's doable. You know, if you guys did this back in the day, I have a lot of respect for you guys, girls and guys. Bubbles.
Wow. What's in that face? Come on.
I'm tired. I'm focused. Focus naman.
Close the water. Close the faucet first.
Alright guys, this is the last process. So we just rinsed it from the soap to the rinse, and then we had to do it like 3 times. And then from there this is the final. Well, not really the final. Then we're gonna put on the downy. We're gonna put the downy in it, and then we're gonna put it on the hanger, and then we're gonna hang it up. So this is just my jeans.
How is it?
It's good. It's a really tiring process. This probably took me about an hour and a half, maybe, or an hour. It's probably taken me. Probably for the ladies, you know, shout out to all the girls and the women that do this, and the men, especially in the Philippines and wherever you are in the world. You know, props to you guys for doing this. I appreciate the work now, you know. I have to leave it in this.
That's babad.
So this is called babad. I have to let it soak in the water. Soaked in the downy, it smells nice. Open it up, squeeze it out.
There you go.
You got a coat hanger? And it's done! Oh, we're gonna get more clothes. Alright, I'm gonna finish everything, guys. They're the 2 shirts, they're done, they're finished. And we're finished with the content of doing laundry in the Philippines, right? So there we go, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the content. We out of it. It's Cravin Larrikin.